market hit a reverse gear. So Nifty fell all the way from the 20-day EMA and now is relaxing somewhere around 17,900 levels. Now what is that you are supposed to do to make profits on a daily basis? As a retail trader, you have only certain options. You can either buy stocks or you can either buy futures or options. And as a retail trader, if you have more than 5 lakh to 10 lakh rupees, you can do the non-directional trading, because most of the great hedgers and the people like IIFL do the non-directional trading. If the market goes upper or downer, they do the non-directional trading and they will hedge themselves heavily so that they are protected for their money. So what is directional trading? Directional trading is when the market actually falls, you think that the market will fall and you will take the negative stance. That's the directional trading, and you will think that you will go according to the trend, because as they say, trend is the trader's best friend. As of now, look at the supports are at 17,819, 99 and 17,816 levels. Since the market fell yesterday heavily due to the Fed comments and the hawkish comments, there are probable rate hikes, so we may see that the market may correct till the level of 17,816 levels, which is the greatest support Indian markets has seen, and already twice we have actually held up to that, and thrice we have held up to that. We have seen that the market stop at that particular level, and the supports have acted as a greatest mover. The uplifter for the market is 17,816 as of now. Seems like we may hit that particular level in today's session as well. Seemingly there is a great support at 17,816, however a great resistance at 18,068 levels, as well as the 20-day EMA, which is 18,142 levels. Those are the resistances. So let's look in the chronological order. Resistance 18,000, 18,058 levels, 18,155 and 18,166 to 18,200 levels are the resistances for the market as of now. Let us look at the intraday chart. Yesterday the market actually fell all the way. Soon as the market actually opened up, we saw the market fall from there onwards. So as soon as the market opened up, the Fed comments did not actually catch up. However, we actually saw that there is a lot of profit booking in the beginning itself, since the market was up by about 1.5% the previous day, and we saw that there is some profit booking, and afterwards the Fed comments actually seeped in, and we saw that the market actually fall all the way down. So if the markets will sustain this upturn or downturn, we have to look at it, because we can't predict what the market may do. However, the trend as of now is on the lower side. So S&P 500 has actually done pretty well yesterday. It was positive and 0.7% positive, 27.16 points is what S&P 500 was up by. Nasdaq was up by 97 points, 0.88% up. Dow Jones was up by 186 points, 0.56 percent, and the Nikkei, which is the Japanese index, is up by 1%, 282.42 points up. That's great. However, SGX Nifty is showing a dampening mood. It is just up by 2 points, which means that we may probably see that the market may correct from here onwards or see a negative opening, because 2 points up, probably by 9:15 the market may just go on the negative side again, so that it taps the support. So those are the levels how you can actually predict the market and take the stance accordingly. And if at all you have any questions with respect to technical analysis, please do let me know. And if you have any questions, please comment it in the comment below and give a like for the algorithm of YouTube. That being said, if you want to learn how to invest in multi-bagger stocks or how to pick the multi-bagger stocks, you can check it out in this video. I'll see you in that video, and let's see you and let's make you richer by investing in multi-bagger stocks over there.